You don't look like a guy that can ride once. About to do just a tad bit of prep. Get these things ready, get them loaded in the truck. Pull out from Muddy Creek about 5:15 a.m. What you doing over here?
Trying to fix your trailer. Little wiring project that somebody couldn't finish. Tyler.
Nice set of Allen wrenches, bro. What'd this set you back?
This?
Yeah.
$275 maybe.
$275 for these Allens.
For everything. Star bits, inverted torques.
Holy cow. Probably doesn't have the right size for the Emig grip though.
Probably not. Maybe. I got a 2.5, I'll try it.
Right. It's on the bottom.
Too small.
Got some freshy black and grays to slide on here. Green and white gets grungy quick. What did you do there?
Where? Oh, that's from going really, really fast.
Yeah, right.
That's why your grips don't look like that.
That's from falling really, really hard. No.
Huh?
No.
What year is it?
Like a 15. Morning, Yodes. You missed 4 a.m. tire changing duty.
Did you get that on film? Tyler showing up like an hour early.
No, because I'm not convinced he went to sleep.
I didn't go to sleep.
Couldn't have been
Did
for
he sleep?
long.
Alright,
No,
did he
well,
sleep
it
in your
definitely
truck
wasn't for
yesterday?
very long.
He did.
It definitely wasn't for very long. I got 3 hours of sleep.
3 hours of sleep.
3 hours of sleep.
Well, that doesn't count because you weren't in your REM cycle.
Oh, I wasn't in my REM cycle.
Yeah.
He was up on time though. I thought he was asleep, and he calls me like 15 minutes after sitting there. He says, "Sorry, man, I was in the shower."
He's really rubbing one out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. 3 hours of sleep. 3 hours of rubbing one out.
With the beautiful people that you have a truck with. I'm fine, don't budge.
I didn't kind of let go of it.
Stuck between two handballs.
Yeah, he's like, I'll be there at 3:15. He shows up at
You did it
3:01.
on your own, man.
There you go. Bunch of queers.
And looks like the next big race I'll end up doing will be the Vet National this year and give him hell in the 30 class. So I appreciate you guys out there listening to the Kiefer Tested podcast. And I met all of you guys, a lot of you guys out there at Loretta's that listen. Talked to a bunch of people, and very cool to talk to you guys and to hear your stories and what you guys are riding. And if you guys, Chris at KieferInkTesting.com, send me a message and I'll try to get back to you and just want to hear from you guys. Don't forget to go to KieferInkTesting.com. Buy some shirts, they're still available. There's a different kind, there's like 3 or 4 different kinds. And we'll get them out to you. And look forward to seeing you all soon. And we'll get back to you later in the week with some more Kiefer Tested podcasts. See ya.
Dude, sign up started 2 minutes ago.
Sign up started, idiot. Let's go. What number? What are you going out for?
I mean, I'm going the same one with you. I'm just trying to.
You're going out for number 7. You're not sure how to put on a chest strap?
We do 7 and 9.
Yeah. Oh.
7 and 9.
He did 7 only, dude. This guy looked like a guy that can ride 6 times to you.
I don't really feel like a guy that can ride 3 times.
You don't look like a guy that can ride once.
Once.
But looks can be deceiving.
Yeah.
Starcross 5 performing flawlessly for you.
Yeah, I have too much air, but other than that, track was great.
Nice chair, dude. Where'd you get that?
RTI Power Sports.
Oh.
Yeah. You have to assemble it. It doesn't come pre-assembled.
Oh.
Other than that, it's a good chair, bro.
Cool.
Yep.
Mine had like 24 in it.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess it's that's the same thing that was up with my tire, so I guess the gauge I have on the wall is off.
You didn't provide me the proper tools. Therefore, I cannot do this.
Poor management.
I agree. Poor management. Now, give me a card. I'll get the proper tools.
Giving my card to people, story of my life. John's eating already. John's eating already. So we had that bet down.
Dude, we had to stop for him to poop twice. And then he pooped again when we left sign up.
We had to stop
John claims he's about to take this 07 clapped out 252 stroke out on Muddy Creek, which he can barely navigate on his 450. This should be interesting.
Were you trying to keep up with Brandon?
No,
You weren't trying to keep up with Bill.
no.
It looked like you're pressing him pretty hard.
He passed me and he was gone a turn later.
He did.
What do you think it's going to take for you to stay in one piece on the 2-stroke?
Dedication,
Passion.
strong leg grip.
What about clutch work?
Burn the clutch out of that.
What about good riding technique? Are you prepared to pay for anything you break?
Put it on my tab.
Put it on his tab.
Tab it. You're confirming it's tab it.
Cool. Tab it.
Is this a vlog inside of a live stream?
Yes.
Live streaming the making of a vlog for which channel? What's your vlog channel?
MX Guru. Find us at the MX Guru.
MX Guru. The MX Guru. Not just any MX Guru. Would you say your vlog is better or equal to some of the other riders' vlogs?
I'd say it's better than maybe Cincerillo's.
No.
Who else? What's his name?
Since he's gonna call it.
The guy that rides the pond. Definitely better than his vlog. It's better than that.
Seeley's got a pretty sick vlog.
Better than Cole's. Those guys have good ones, but they're not this good. Yes.
I don't know, dude. AC's got a cool vlog. AC's got a cool
AC,
vlog.
if you're watching this right now, which I'm sure you are,
I'm sure you are.
we're coming for you. #1 vlog.
#1 vlog. Showdown of the vlogs. I'm sure he'll be back here in June. We'll vlog down.
John, explain to the viewers what you're gonna do here.
I'm gonna eat chips.
You're gonna eat chips, but are you gonna try to eat all those chips in one mouthful?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna go ride a KX 250 two-stroke that you haven't rode really ever in your life at Muddy Creek Raceway.
Yeah.
All right, let's see it. Chew, 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 chew.
Oh, he needs more chips.